there. Thanks so much for tuning in to another video. So we are continuing on with the Christmas decor. So if you saw the last video, you know we brought everything down and everything is ready now for me to put where it belongs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the mantle. My game plan throughout these next couple of weeks is just to kind of take it slowly and to just put things where I think they're going to go. I don't have a game plan and things scheduled, like we're gonna do the dining room table and then we're gonna do the kitchen and then we're gonna do the mantle. I don't plan on doing it that way this year. Things could always change, we'll see. But what I do wanna start with for sure, because we already have these bins right here and this bin right here as well. We already have these here, so I know that we are going to replace that mirror with the sign. I know that the candelabra is going to stay there, and obviously we've got the garland here. So this is kind of like a no-brainer, plus it's gonna set the tone, I think, for the rest of, you know, how we decorate the rest of the house. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm watching the Santa Clauses now. We've got our first big casualty, but I think that's fixable. It didn't shatter, it just broke into 2 pieces, so that's good. I've got Gorilla Super Glue. There will be a little crack there, but that's okay. It gives it character. And from far away, you won't even be able to see that. I did have E6000, but I'm glad I didn't have to use this because this is not instant. This should be ready to go in just a few minutes. See, and you can see the difference, how it's fuller over here and then very flat over here. Now, this is not super full garland, and I'm okay with that because we plug in any of the sparse spaces with these, so it's okay. But yeah, big difference for sure. This is a good start. So I have the base down, and what I'll do now is we've got these twinkle lights right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those on, and I'll just lay them right on top of that, and then we will continue adding just to make that super full. I like it lush. Get all the flowers on there because obviously we still have lots of stuff to get up there. at how this has come out. Very similar to what we did last year for sure, but oh, it looks so, so good. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to plug it in. I've already got the lights, the twinkle lights attached to the lights that were on the garland. Now, for the most part, I am a get your garland and your trees unlit, light them yourself, but this garland happened to have lights on it, so we're gonna use those too. But I have an extension cord right here that actually lives behind the fish tank year round. And so I'm just gonna have to plug everything in. And so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining.
Thanks so much for watching. We are officially off and running. So if you are not subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, because we have a lot more videos coming over the next couple of weeks, decorating for the holidays, and then Vlogmas starts on December 1st. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
So beautiful, kissing